students, I have come up with a chapter which is already familiar with you, that is pronoun. And pronoun, I hope you must know the definition of pronoun, but I want to make you call up the definition once again. Pronoun, look at here, pronoun is called a pronoun because pronoun is used instead of a noun. Let's apply to this rule and write again. Pronoun is called a pronoun because it is used called so, because it is used instead of a noun. Now try to notice which two definitions looks better. Let's mark up pronoun. How many pronouns have occurred here? Pronoun. This pronoun is replaced by so. This pronoun is replaced by so. And this pronoun has been replaced by it. Because pronoun is also parts of speech, and hence it is a noun, or it can be replaced by a pronoun. So which of the two definitions looks better? Which of the two definitions looks better? Let it be A, B. We have avoided repetitions of pronoun here. We have used thrice pronoun, once, twice, and thrice. What about in this sentence? Pronoun has been used just for once. So, of course, this definition is better than this. So, what are the things that we can notice, and a pronoun help us to do so? So, now, before I proceed further, I will mention that this definition is far better than that, because I have used pronouns thrice, but in this sentence I have used pronoun just once, and this sentence looks more compact. This definition looks far better. Pronoun is not repeated time to time. So now let's see how important a pronoun is. Let's see how important pronoun is. A pronoun pronoun replaces a noun, replaces a noun, it help us to avoid repetitions of a noun. It leaves a sentence more compact, and better. So these are the things. That's why we use pronoun after a noun is once mentioned. I hope you have got what has been conveyed here. I will have some more examples to help you understand the uses of pronoun. Rabinder is a student. Rabinder cares. Rabinder's book and Rabinder goes to school every day. What's wrong with this sentence? Let's point out it. Rabinder, here we have come up with Rabinder, again Rabinder, Rabinder's book, Rabinder. If this Rabinder has been repeated several times, that leaves this sentence, looks ridiculous and disgusting. Yeah, why not using pronouns to make this ridiculous sentence look more compact and better. Let's try it out. This sentence can be written in a improved way, which you see further. Ravinder, it will remain the same. Ravinder is a student. This Ravinder has been replaced by he. Cares. Ravinder's. In what case is it? Possessive case. Ravinder's must be replaced by his book. and Ravinder. Here Ravinder is a subject to verb goes. So this is in the nominative case. That is he goes to school. School every day. Now you can easily understand the difference that lies between the two sentences. This looks tiring, tedious, monotonous. What about this? This is more compact than this. This is far better than this because of the pronouns. Because the credit goes to the users of pronoun in this sentence. That's why I will tell you again that usage of pronoun is very important, which we must not miss if we write or say paragraph sentences. Wow! Before we proceed further, I want to say pronouns let's see personal pronoun. Personal is one of the kinds of pronoun. Personal pronouns. Let's define it. Personal pronouns are the pronouns that are used for the three persons. Which grammar knows? We know lots of people in the classes, in families, in community, in nations, many celebrities, but grammar knows just three persons. If you see how many persons does grammar know? Just three persons. Three persons. So that is quite easy to understand persons because there are not so many persons in grammar. Grammar was just three persons. What are the three persons? 8. First person. First persons. What is meant by this first person? The person who is speaking? Who is speaking? The person who is speaking. Let's talk of two boys, A and B. First person. Because A is speaking to B. A speaks to B. So A will be the first person because A is talking to B and B is listening to A. So if A talks to B, when it speaks, it is the first person. Thus we know first person, the first person is the person who is speaking. What pronouns are used? What pronouns are used in the first person? What pronouns are used in the first person? Of course, are we. I hope you are getting my points with ease. Second persons. The person who is spoken to as A, B. Let N be two boys. If A talks and B listens to A, so A speaks. That's why he speaks to B, A first person. What about B? What piece of work does B do? B does not speak. B does not speak. Instead, B is spoken to. B is listener. B is hearer. B listener. Hearer or spoken to. B, this B. So what about B? So B is the second person because he is spoken to. What pronouns is used to represent the second person? If I talk to somebody, that somebody is referred to as you. Let I be the speaker, let you be the listener. And if I have to address you, so what pronoun should I use? Definitely you. Just say, you are my student. You should listen to me carefully. You must not skip any point. You should watch every live classes conducted by, sponsored by Cambridge Public School, Brahmpura. So, in whatever way I mean to address you, I attempt to address, I use you. So, you is the second person. You is the second person because when I talk to somebody, I address that person that who is spoken to by dint of you. This you is the second person. That's why in every imperative sentence, one is commanding another. The you is understood as a subset. Come here, go there, sit down. These are imperative sentences, because the first person is commanding the person is spoken to. The first person uses I to address itself, and you to address the person as spoken to. The last person which grammar notes is other than these two. The third persons, the persons other than first persons, other than first persons and the second persons are the third persons. Besides, the person or thing that is being talked about. That is being talked about is the third person. Here, what is the third person? Pronoun. Because pronoun is the third person because we are talking about pronoun. Sometimes we talk of people, sometimes we talk of a thing. So, after all, I want to say, I speak and I have been speaking for last 10 minutes. I have been speaking for last 10 minutes. That's why I am the first person. And you, my students, you dear students, have been listening to me for last 10 minutes. And I am speaking to you. That's why you are the second person. You know, what is under discussion? What is under discussion? What is being talked about? This pronoun in the third person. It's okay? And I hope whatever things that have been interpreted, discussed,